Welcome to Inventrick, Inventions, Tips, and Tricks. In this video, we will uncover the amazing secret of the battery, lemon, and soap mixture. Make sure you watch every step to avoid missing any important information. Who would have thought that three simple ingredients like a battery, lemon, and soap could be combined to create something extraordinary? In this video, we will show you how this unique mixture can produce surprising effects. However, to understand the secret behind this combination, make sure to watch until the end, as the result will truly amaze you. What do you usually do with used batteries, liquid soap, and lemons? You probably never thought that these three could be combined to create something special. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step, so be sure to stay with us until the end. The first step we will take is to open the outer layer of the battery. This process is a crucial part of our experiment. Once the battery's layer is removed, we will pour its contents into a small bowl. This is just the beginning of our experiment, and there's still much to do to reach the final result. The next step is to add soap to the bowl containing the battery contents. After that, we will squeeze some lemon juice into the bowl. The mixture of these three ingredients will produce something unexpected. Once all the ingredients are mixed, we will stir them until they are well blended. Keep watching, because the result of this mixture will be quite surprising. Now, we will use this mixture to scrub the motorcycle body. And the result will make your motorcycle look like new again. Who would have thought that a simple mixture of a battery, lemon, and soap could be an effective solution for cleaning a motorcycle body? That's the big secret of this mixture. Try it yourself and see the benefits. Now, you no longer need to spend your money, as simple ingredients can produce something extraordinary. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more amazing experiments. You can also check out our other videos, which might be useful for you, available in the playlist. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next experiment video.